we're showing a number of carbide tools from Quickgrind. So we're looking at barrel cutters, we're looking at some of their end mills, and we're looking at some of their Bornos as well. So basically some roughing with the barrel cutters, some adaptive roughing with the end mills, and then also finishing with the barrel cutters as well. So with our strategies within Tebis, we can handle barrel cutters, and we're showing a number of operations with the 3+2 machine with the ROMI machine today.
Yeah, that's the big thing, the fact it's not full simultaneous, it's a 3+2 machine, but no problem obviously for Tebis.
No, we can handle, I mean, normally it's designed for 5-axis, but we can also do 3+2 as well. So the idea really is if you've got a face where you can use a barrel cutter, then why not use it with a 3+2 operation? We do have special operations in the 5-axis sort of catalogue where we can actually turn the tool inverted, where you can use the bottom of the ball and actually finish the radii as well.
And this is on a Siemens controlled machine. Are you using the Siemens or is it purely Tebis?
So it's all Tebis. So we've got a number of programs going in the background, as you can hear. So at the moment we're roughing, and then we'll go down to some semi-finishing and finishing with the barrel cutters. So it's been simulated with the collision checking as well. So we're, with some of the tools we're going within the couple of mil, so 2 mil, and also all the rotation planes as well being worked out with inside Tebis.
Yeah, it's quite complicated, and the one clearance, you know, I can imagine that the feed rate was pretty much zero when you prove that out, but that's the beauty of predicting collisions.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, some of our customers don't have windows in the machine, so you can imagine they use our simulation package to actually collision check everything before they run the part on the machine. So it's for me, it's a big help because we go from different machines to ROMI to Mazak and all different types of machines. So for me, it's a safe bet really that when we're running a simulator.
And I know your relationship with ROMI, it's fairly new. How did it go, the post? And obviously the support from ROMI.
We had a couple of days proving the post date, and I'd like to say a big thank you to Quickgrind and also ROMI for supporting us on this presentation. I mean, it's great to work with these sort of people because they help me along. So I can't do everything, but the guys from ROMI and Quickgrind help me as well.